So coming lecture number 2. I have to explain you this Urdu. You have to write in words. One more you see. Guys, you have to take the help of page number 20 and 21. Then we can solve this question. This is first type. This is 9, 8, 7, 6. Then you write 9,800 and 76. Okay, students. Now I will go for next example. Your next topic is Roman numerals. So directly come to page number 24, example number 5. This one is your example number 4. Now come to example number 5, page number 24. Please note down this all in your classwork copy. Page number 24, topic is Roman numerals. Okay, so first see example number 5. Write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following. Now Hindu-Arabic numerals, this is known as Hindu-Arabic numerals. 1, 2, 3, and this is also known as what? It is also known as cardinal number. So write the following. Write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following. So see, first is page is 9. Write 9. Few more examples. See. So this is what? 10. This is what? 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. We have to break it in first expanded form, then you have to add. Few more we can see. So this is 10. Again this is 10. Again this is 10. And this one is 5. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus 5, 35. One more you can see. So see, this is 10, this is 10, 5, and this is 3. So 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25 plus 3, 28. Now write down in the classwork copy. Next I will go for example number 6. In this chapter you have only one exercise. Come to example number 6. Example number 6 is write the following in Roman numerals. Write the following in Roman numerals. So first question is 7, second is 15, third is 29, then take 4, one is 22, last is just take on my side 46. Okay, or just you take 33. So first is what? 7, very easy. Which is 5, 6, 7. 15, 10, 5, 15, 29, 10 plus 10, 20, 21 plus 9, 29. 10 plus 10, 20 and 9, 29. Now 22. 10 plus 10, 20 and 2, 22. 33, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30, 31, 32, 33. Got? Understood? These all examples come for exercise 7. Okay. Now coming to exercise 7, first question is write the following number by using Indian numerals. Example already explained, but you have to take the help of page number 20, okay, because there is table in page number 20. Now question number 2, read and then write the following number in words. Now question number 2, first you have to read and you have to write in words. Question number 3 is write the following number using Urdu numerals. So you have to take the help of page number is 21. This is the Urdu numerals in page number 21. You have to see and you will get the answer. Now in page number 4, write the following Urdu number in words that is already explained. Now here is some table. The following table given 10 numerals used in different regions. Now Marathi from 0 to 9, Tamil 0 to 9, Kannada 0 to 9, Telugu 0 to 9, Bengali 0 to 9, Gujarati 0 to 9 and Punjabi 0 to 9. Now with the help of the above table, answer the following question. Okay, so like 5, write the following numbers using Marathi, Tamil and Punjabi numerals. So again one more, Hindi numerals over, Urdu numerals over. Now you have to read about this Kannada, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali. Size 7. Question number 5. One question I was explaining you. 29. So first you have to write in Marathi, Tamil and Punjabi. So only one I will explain you. So Marathi 29. 29 means 2 9. So see Marathi 2 and 9. 29. Now go for Tamil 29. So Tamil 2 is like this. 2 and 9 W like W. Now go for Punjabi 2 and 9. 9 is little different, you can see. So this is Marathi 29, this is Tamil 29 and the last one is Punjabi 29. So with the help of page number 25, this works, you have to solve question number 5. Now come to question number 6. Write the following number using Kannada and Telugu. Question number 6. Kannada and Telugu. So see one question. 90 I am just explaining you. Kannada and Telugu. So Kannada 9 you can see like E it is and 0 will be 0. Telugu 9. This Kannada and Telugu almost same. Question number 7. Write the following number using Bengali and Gujarati. 62. Bengali, Gujarati. So see Bengali 60, Bengali 60 is 6, 4, 5, 6, totally different. 6, 2. Gujarati 6 is 6, 2. Okay. 8 is write the following number in Marathi, Gujarati, Bengali, Telugu, Punjabi, Kannada, Tamil, Hindi all. So with the help of all the table, you will solve it. Question number 9. Write the Hindi and Arabic numeral for the following Roman numeral. Already example explained. Question number 10 is write the following Roman numeral. Already example explained. So your chapter 3 is over. You will solve in your homework copy. Homework is you have to solve exercise 7 of chapter 3. Now please take the help of Hindi numeral, Urdu numeral table and all Bengali, Gujarati, Tamil, Marathi. Then you will solve this question. Okay. In next class, chapter 4 will be start. For now, goodbye to all.